What is up, guys? This is Tyler Boyette, and I'm just going to be doing a Zumiez unboxing or packaging, whatever. That's just some stuff I ordered a few days ago. Sorry for my voice, I'm kind of sick, but yeah, get to unboxing this. Alright, guys, here's the package again. Yep, so here we go. Box cover down. Gotta get my food bag. Alright. Oh, what? Oh, okay, so here's my tape. Anyways, I ordered some jeans and a shirt. Here's a shirt. Called the A-Lab Miami shirt. There's a cat and a Ferrari on the beach. And these are the jeans. These are the jeans I ordered. 3-roll jeans. Pretty nice. Like so yeah, that was like $27. Buy one get one free on all this. Sure, with free if you can. So yeah, you should go check that out. And
Hey guys, so these are the pants and the shirt. And if you guys are wondering what type of shoes these are, these are called Nike SB Lunar Gatos. Yeah, these shoes are pretty cool. Probably one of my personal Nike SB favorites. So yeah, go check out my other videos, and if you like stuff like this, then go get stuff like this.
Okay, guys. So here's a better look at my shirt. Got some flamingos. A-Lab logo there. Yeah, the shirt looks pretty awesome in a stupid way, which is what I like. And the jeans are just jeans. Like, there's not really much. Oh, they say skinny. Oh, I'll try them on in a minute. So yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, tell her out. Keep getting.